Artificial intelligence is a broad field of making machines act intelligently. Within artificial intelligence, we have machine learning, algorithms that learn patterns from data. Within machine learning, we have deep learning, models inspired by the human brain using neural networks with many layers. Within deep learning, we also have natural language processing that enables machines to understand and respond to human language. Traditional programming is rule-driven. You hard-code instructions, if this, then that. Every possible scenario needs a predefined rule, and the program simply follows them. Machine learning flips that approach. Instead of coding rules by hand, you provide data. The model studies the data, discovers the patterns, and generates its own rules. Where traditional programming is rigid and manual, machine learning is adaptive. It learns from experience and improves as more data arrives. We use machine learning because rules break down in messy, complex real-world data. Machine learning adapts and scales. In finance, credit scoring models like XGBoost learn from thousands of loan applications to classify risk. In healthcare, diagnostic models learn from medical scans to detect disease patterns. Both cases show machine learning adapting to complexity and scaling beyond human capacity. There are several approaches to machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, regression, classification, and deep learning. Supervised learning means the computer learns from examples where the answers are already known. If we give it house prices with details like size and location, it can learn to predict new prices. That's called regression. If we give it medical scans labeled healthy or disease, it can learn to sort new scans into those categories. That's classification. Essentially, it's like teaching with a marked answer sheet. Unsupervised learning is when we don't give the computer the answers. Instead, it looks for the pattern on its own. For example, a bank might feed in customer spending data, and the computer groups people into clusters, like big spenders, savers, or occasional shoppers. Reinforcement learning is all about trial and error. Imagine teaching a robot to walk. Every time it takes a good step, it gets a reward point. Every time it falls, no points. Over time, it learns the best way to move by maximizing rewards. Deep learning is a special kind of machine learning that uses layers of neurons inspired by the brain. One powerful type is called a convolutional neural network, which is amazing at recognizing images. In healthcare, they can scan MRI images and highlight tumors with high accuracy. Deep learning also drives speech recognition, image analysis, and even generative AI tools.